Okay guys, welcome. Today we are talking about candlestick analysis and focusing on candlestick patterns. So this is a chart of GBP USD. So um, there are 10 types of candlestick pattern, but for this part 1 series we are talking about only 4, and the second part we are going to complete it. So we are starting with now we said that candlesticks represents price movement, and there are different types of candlesticks like the doji, the hanging man, the hammer, and the haramis, and the marubozo. So now those are individual candlesticks, but you can see that the candlesticks here occur individually and also as a group. So when two or more candlesticks occurs together, sometimes it forms a pattern, and from those patterns you can predict price movement. So that's what we mean by candlestick pattern. Candlestick pattern is a group of two or more candlesticks that forms a pattern. So the first pattern we are going to be looking at is the three white soldiers. So three white soldiers, what are three white soldiers? Three white soldiers are three bullish candlesticks. When I mean by bullish candlesticks, I mean candlesticks that represent buyers. That is the green candlesticks here. So when three green candlestick occurs at a straight, it is called three um, white soldiers. Let me show you examples. But not all three candlesticks is qualified to call three white soldiers. That is, for a candle, for the three white soldiers to occur and to be confirmed, the three candlesticks, the second candle, the body of the second candle must be bigger than the body of the first. The body of the second bullish candle must be bigger than the body of the second candle. So I'm looking for a perfect example to illustrate that. I'm looking for the perfect example to illustrate that. Okay, let's see where any three candles form together. Okay, let's check another chart like XAUUSD. It's not occurring frequently here. Okay, so like you have here, this is a good example. You see these three candles here. You see these three candles here, these three bullish candles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is this pattern of three candles forming at a go, one above the other, and the body of the second candle same size or a little bigger than the body of the first. This is called three white soldiers, and this indicates that buyers are in control. That is intense buying pressure. So how do you trade with this? Once you see the three white soldiers, that is a signal to buy. Note that these are speculations, not a prediction of 100%, because the three white soldiers can also occur and you see a downtrend. So the three white soldiers indicate a heavy buying pressure. You can see that after the three white soldiers form, let's minimize the chart so that you see it clearly. Okay, the market bought from 2624 to 2638. That's more than 100 pips before falling. So three white soldiers is an indication of a heavy buying pressure. Okay, you can see something similar here. Here again, you can see something similar. Three candles occurred ago, and after that, the market started buying. So these are the three white soldiers. The next one we are going to talk about is the opposite of the three white soldiers. That is three bullish candles forming at a go. So this is a perfect example. You can see here it's even more than three. But when three bullish candles form like this, you can see As it goes lower, the size of the candle increases. So this is called three black crows, opposite of three white soldiers. So what does this signify now? This signifies intense selling pressure. Once this forms in the market, you sell, and you can use the middle of the three candles as a stop loss. So you can see that after this happened, the market continued selling. So this is what we mean by the three black crows. That is, we are looking at the initial three. So that is what happens. Let's see more examples. Okay, you can see here now. After this happened, three candles formed here. These are three black crows. That is three bearish candles forming consecutively. So the market continued selling. So we've looked at three white soldiers, that is three bullish candles forming one after the other, and three black crows. So the last two we are going to look at is the bullish and the bearish engulfing. First of all, let's start with the bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing is a candlestick pattern that forms when there is a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle. This is an example here. Followed by a bearish candle. The bearish candle, when it is a bearish engulfing, note that the body of the bearish candle fully engulfs or covers the body of the initial bullish candle. So this is a reversal sign. This is a reversal sign that the uptrend, a bearish engulfing, when the engulfing is by a bearish candle, it is called a bearish engulfing. A bearish engulfing occurs in an uptrend, signaling the end of the uptrend and the beginning of a downtrend. So this you can see here is a bearish engulfing. Now, the body starts at the same position, but the size of the bearish candle engulfs the bullish candle. So we can call this in this box a bearish engulfing. So let's look for another bearish engulfing. Okay, so this is another example of a bearish engulfing. You see that it's almost very, very accurate. Once it forms, it signals the end of the uptrend and the beginning of a downtrend. You can see that after this form, the market started trending, the downtrend started. So a bearish engulfing forms at the end of an uptrend, at the top of an uptrend, where a bearish candle fully. Now, for it to be qualified to be called a bearish engulfing, the size of the body of the bearish candle that engulfs it, that is the candle immediately after the bullish candle, the size of the body must fully engulf or be bigger than the previous bullish candle. So this is an example of a bearish engulfing. So let's look at the opposite of that, which is the last one we'll look at in this video. It's a bullish engulfing. Okay, so this is an example of a bullish engulfing here. A bullish engulfing is formed in a downtrend. You can see here the bullish candle. There is a bearish candle and a bullish candle which engulfs the previous bearish candle. So this is a bullish engulfing because the candle that engulfs it is bullish. So it signals the end of a downtrend. As you can see that after this formed, the market started going up. So let's look for the last example of another bullish engulfing. So if you're looking for a bullish engulfing, that will be in a downtrend. So where's another bullish engulfing? Okay. So this one is also a bullish engulfing, and you can also call this a bullish rejection, a bearish rejection, which we are going to look at in our next video. So this is a bullish engulfing because the body starts at the same spot and the bullish candle engulfs the previous bearish candle. So that is it. So you can this cannot be called a bullish engulfing because the size of the bullish candle body is smaller, far smaller than the bearish candle. So it's a candle, the formation is only qualified to be called a bullish engulfing if the size of the engulfing bullish candle is bigger than the size of the bearish candle, as you can see here. So that is it. That is it. If you want to reach out to me, you can contact me through the link in the description. So if you are seeing our video, our channel for the first time, subscribe for more forex videos. This month of January, we are going to be doing a full class. So follow me in order not to miss out. And we'll start dropping signals very soon in our group.